Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to today's diagnostic presentation focusing on DTC P0792, known as the Intermediate Shaft Speed Sensor A Circuit Range Performance Issue, specifically for the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. This error relates to the functionality of the Continuously Variable Transmission, CVT, and is crucial for the proper functioning of your vehicle. The CVT drive pulley speed sensor is an essential component located on the outside end cover of the CVT assembly. This sensor detects the speed of the drive pulley and communicates this information to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM uses this data to ensure optimal transmission operation by adjusting gear ratios based on current driving conditions. When the PCM fails to receive the proper signals from the sensor, it triggers DTC P0792, indicating a malfunction that may stem from several possible issues that we will explore further. The DTC P0792 indicates an issue related to the CVT drive pulley speed sensor, which is a critical electronic component that monitors the gear revolutions of the drive pulley. This sensor is positioned on the outside of the CVT end cover, playing a vital role in measuring and relaying the speed of the drive pulley to the PCM. The PCM processes the pulsing signals sent from this sensor, converting them into data that governs the vehicle's transmission behavior. If the PCM detects no pulses from the sensor while the drive pulley is active, this suggests a malfunction, potentially caused by an open circuit, loose connections, or shorts in the wiring. Additionally, system checks through related sensors, like the torque converter turbine speed sensor, are performed to confirm any discrepancies. This interdependence highlights the importance of the CVT drive pulley speed sensor in maintaining transmission integrity. The potential causes of DTC P0792 include several critical issues related to the CVT drive pulley speed sensor and the vehicle's electrical systems. First, an open sensor line, which could result from a loose connection or disconnection, would impede the sensor's ability to transmit signals to the PCM. Next, a short to ground in the wiring can create erratic signals or prevent them from reaching the PCM, erroneously indicating sensor failure. Furthermore, the sensor itself may simply fail, reducing its capacity to detect the speed correctly. Finally, internal failures within the PCM could also be responsible for misinterpreting or failing to process the sensor's data correctly. Each of these issues highlights the intricate nature of vehicle electronic systems and the importance of thorough diagnostics to pinpoint exact faults. When DTC P0792 is triggered, drivers may experience several noticeable symptoms, beginning with the illumination of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, on the dashboard. This lamp serves as a warning that something is amiss within the vehicle's systems. Normally, when DTCs are present, you may also notice the automatic transmission gear position indicator blinking, signaling an issue related to transmission functionality. Furthermore, drivers may perceive diminished vehicle performance, like delayed shifts, erratic acceleration, or slipping. The combination of these symptoms can lead to frustration while driving, as the vehicle may not respond as expected. Understanding these symptoms is vital for addressing the root cause quickly and effectively. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0792 involves starting the engine and driving the vehicle at a speed of 19 miles per hour or more for at least 30 seconds. This step is crucial because it creates the necessary conditions for the system to operate under real-world circumstances, simulating the workings of the CVT and its associated sensors. During this process, the onboard diagnostics will monitor the signals generated by the CVT drive pulley speed sensor and assess if the system functions as intended. Driving the vehicle under controlled conditions ensures that the PCM has the opportunity to generate and test the error codes actively. This method confirms whether the initial conditions causing the error persist or if they've resolved, potentially guiding the technician toward the next steps in the diagnostic process. The second troubleshooting step involves utilizing the Honda Diagnostic System HDS diagnostic tool to check for additional diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. The HDS is an essential tool that provides immediate access to the vehicle's onboard diagnostics, allowing for detailed analysis of existing trouble codes and system behaviors. Health checks can confirm whether other related DTCs may be present, which could contribute to the P0792 error. If there's an indication of additional problems, addressing these may rectify the primary issue with the CVT drive pulley speed sensor. The technician should confirm all codes, including pending and confirmed ones, as they can provide vital context for understanding the overall system health and the interdependencies that exist within the vehicle's components. After completing all necessary repairs and replacements, the final repair verification for DTC P0792 requires careful checking to ensure all corrective actions have been properly documented and executed. Technicians should then take the vehicle for a test drive to confirm that repairs have successfully resolved the issues detected. During this test drive, it's crucial to observe that the vehicle accelerates smoothly, shifts correctly, and does not present any symptoms associated with the DTC. Also, monitoring the dashboard for the reappearance of the malfunction indicator lamp, MIL, or any blinking gear position indicators is essential to ensure no faults persist. Documenting the results of the test drive will provide valuable feedback about whether the repairs have been effective. Engaging in preventive maintenance is key to ensuring the long-term health of the CVT system and reducing the likelihood of future DTC P0792 occurrences. Regular inspections of the CVT drive pulley speed sensor can help detect wear, loose connections, or corrosion before they lead to system failures. Additionally, monitoring the overall performance of the transmission during regular vehicle checkups aids in identifying any deviations in expected behavior. Drivers should remain vigilant for warning signs related to transmission behavior, such as unusual sounds or changes in shifting patterns, as these can be early indicators of underlying issues. Taking proactive maintenance steps can significantly enhance the reliability and longevity of a Honda Accord's transmission system and prevent costly repairs down the road. In summary, DTC P0792 indicates issues primarily related to the CVT drive pulley speed sensor in the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017, which can stem from several causes such as open circuits and sensor failures. Understanding the symptoms, such as the MIL warning and irregular shifting functionality, is vital for effective troubleshooting. Following a systematic approach to diagnosis and repair, including the use of the Honda Diagnostic System, ensures that issues can be pinpointed without unnecessary guesswork. Emphasizing preventive maintenance, including regular inspections and monitoring of the transmission system, will enhance the vehicle's reliability and minimize the chances of experiencing similar errors in the future. Users should always stay informed and engaged in their vehicle's health for optimal performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.